प्रतिपाद्य
Welcome to MIT World Peace University, India's first university focusing on holistic development of students. MIT WPU, formerly known as MIT Pune, is the epicenter for imparting value-based education for promotion of universal culture of peace and welfare among youth. For over 40 years, MIT WPU graduates have contributed significantly to society. Today, student learners at MIT WPU are leaders of change to shape a bright future. With a campus spread over 100 acres, international partnerships, study abroad programs, MIT WPU is ranked third best private university to study in India. Yoga and peace modules are an integral part of the curriculum at MIT WPU, allowing students to gain the importance of work-life balance, which aids in holistic development. MIT WPU is situated in Pune, which is a popular student city in India and has been declared the best city to live in. Be it the first university to offer a program in political leadership or offering programs guided by UN SDGs. Our faculty members with decades of industry experience are also deep into research, with multiple patents and publications in their accolades. A safe and secure campus that assists to nurture learning, persona and thinking. Experience value-based education and learn what matters at MIT WPU.